I've been shopping and I thought I'd do a little unboxing video. So what I've bought is a Halfords Advanced mid chest. I got it on offer and with colleague discount, which made it quite cheap for me. I do quite like these tool chests. I've already got one of them. I think they're very well made, so I bought another one. Right, let's open this. Unpacking instructions. Step 1, with 2 people, carefully rotate the box so it's upside down. Well, it's just me and a camera, so this will be more interesting. It's only about 25 kilos though, so it's perfectly manageable. There we go. Right.